declares candidates for KAC election 2022. Congress workers express disappointment over ticket allotment. ASDC declares candidates for 19 constituencies.
Good morning, viewers. You're watching KAL Live English Primetime News with Julie Baby. The Assam Pradesh Congress Committee had on Friday declared names of candidates for the KAC election 2022. Here is a report. Congress party is set to file candidates from all the 26 constituencies, but they had so far released names of candidates for 22 constituencies. Bijoy Teron will contest from Duaramla, Jenison Teron from Amri, Rup Singh Bongrum from Jinthong, Singh Teron from Rongkhang, Kangbura Hanse from Bithung, Kareng Phangchopi from Kopili, Rupesh Bey from Hamren, Elise Ingtipi from Amreng, Chandra Singh Teron from Hauraghat, Purnima Ronghangpi from Langpher, Dorsing Singnar from Phuloni, Rijendra Basumatari from Langhin, Sarjeng Ingti from Korkanthi, Bidasing Rongpi from Mahamaya, Ashok Teron from Numati, Ratul Teron from Lumberjan, Rajesh Timung from Socheng Thenta, Pradeep Singnar from Singhason, Surendra Singnar from Borjan, Joysom Jaising Rengma from Deopani, Jemson Ingti from Nilip and Rajan Ingti from Dwar Bagori. At the time of filing this report, Congress was yet to declare the names of its candidates from Dhansiri, Socheng, Bokajan and Sarupathar constituencies. Earlier, the Samilangso Block Mahila Congress Committee convened a press briefing to express their disappointment over the Congress workers protesting against Sarjeng Ingti, son of former Assam Minister Khor Singh Ingti, over his applying of party ticket from Korkanthi. The block committee members say that every party member has the right to seek tickets from any constituency. The block committee leaders say that the decision to let Sarjeng Ingti stand from Korkanthi was taken, saying the bigger chances for the party's victory. Samilangso Block Congress President Potmo Ronghang, former President Komal Singnar and others were present at the press meet. Samsung Ingti from Dokmoka, KAL Live. The Congress party members from number 12 Phuloni constituency had expressed displeasure over the allotment of party ticket from the constituency to Dorsing Singnar. This was stated by the Phuloni Mandal Congress workers during a press meet convened on Friday evening at the party's office at Loring Tepi. The Phuloni Mandal Congress members have stated that the party high command had made a mistake in selection of candidate. They said tickets should have been allotted to the person who has more support of the public. The Phuloni Mandal Congress Committee had given the party president of the district an ultimatum of 12 hours to take back the name of Dorsing Singnar and give the party ticket to senior congressman Sonjit Teron. They further informed that a mass agitation will take place on Sunday if the party high command does not heed to their demand. The meeting was attended by Phuloni Congress Youth Wing, Mahila Morcha members and others.
Phuloni Mandal Congress hoi apnalokok সংবাদ মাধ্যম সকলক মাতা কাৰণটো হৈছে আগন্তুক আহিবলগীয়া কাৰ্বি আংলং স্বায়ত্তশাসী পৰিষদৰ নিৰ্বাচন। আজি আমি দেখি পালো আমাৰ কংগ্ৰেছ দলৰ যিটো নেকি দলীয় প্ৰাৰ্থীৰ যিটো নেকি নাম তালিকা ইয়াত 12 নং ফুলনি কনস্টিটুৱেন্সিৰ সমষ্টিৰ পৰা শ্ৰী দৰসিং সিংনাৰ তেখেতৰ নামহে আজি ইয়াত দিয়া হৈছে। গতিকে আমি কিতিয়াও তেখেতক আমি ফুলনি মণ্ডল কংগ্ৰেছে কিতিয়াও আমি মানিব নোৱাৰো, কাৰণ যোৱা 10টা বছৰৰ পৰা সঞ্জীৱ তেৰণ ডাঙৰীয়াই যিকোনো অভাৱ অভিযোগ আমাৰ দলৰ বিষয়, আমাৰ দলৰ কাৰ্যকতা, আমাৰ দলৰ কাৰণে কি কৰি গৈছে একমাত্ৰ সঞ্জীৱ তেৰণ দেৱে আমাৰ আগবঢ়াই লৈ গৈছে আজি পৰ্যন্ত।
Similarly, after the declaration of the candidates, there was a strong protest seen from the Congress supporters of Lumberjan constituency. They alleged that the Congress High Command had cheated them by not giving ticket to candidate of their choice. Congress workers of the constituency wanted that tickets should be given to Rangsina Hanse.
Dong sikot pen ini press meet mate lam jai along lili lam jai na ko lam thela hello lili tu penengan pen ningkan kep ta kepling tu ko labang so party long kidu mate kongres ka long kaching hon mate son jeep teron ke chari pon akimi ke thek long pen mate ning ga che the people si pini dong sikot pen lili tu ning che the sonjit teron phan ticket ki pon pedet labang so joni sile tum pini press meet na ko lo ke chok che ke la hello je non he jong ke bang dorsing singna alang li ke dam tang da bisi ke do non he jong ke bang harap to tarikan ni alang li ke bang alang li jupulo ni tum mondola long tu het 11 tarik alang li mai along lam thi che jai do alang li la so si lam thi che chak lo sonjiba against ni li claim lam de nali tum against ni li claim kle nali tum along si ni li na claim dun veji pu alang li lam chak do la se alang li por dolang penong we pen cheng lok gonta kri hiniang bong alang li jong sa ken kam chirui polotang tin li tum claim ra pet si doji.
The Congress workers here are opposing Ratul Teron's candidature, saying that he is not a sincere party worker but a contractor. They had warned the party high command of non-cooperation during the election if Ratul Teron is allowed to file nomination. Dirjana Rongpis report from Pholoni, Karbi Anglong Live. The Autonomous State Demand Committee has declared its candidates for 19 constituencies for the ensuing Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election to be held on June 8. The names were released during a press conference convened at its head office in Dipu on its Friday. The regional party, while releasing the names of its candidates in a press statement, said the Congress and APHRC will be responsible if the BJP retains power in the ensuing KAC election, pointing out that both the parties failed to forge alliance to fight against the Saffron Party. The party charged the APHLC of being a one-man army party could not assess and analyze the head or tail of electoral politics and thought that it could go alone to score electoral battle, which is not at all possible in the given political condition.
State fight, all opposition organizations to undertake pro-autonomous state like-minded group of associated group Pepsi, okay, election of the G. So, when was it 2017 in Pen? More ilo, APSC, the committee to believe on ilo, to get Jakarta, durant 50% dulu, even get Lango Pen, Lasunsi, non the Autonomous Council. Election kita ni, kita bangkit Kongres ay, Kongres parti kita ni, ras kemudian kita hati ben, jadi tu KSC ben, apa tahu kita ini kita, asoprensi nanti tu bagi lo, di lo kita bangkit West kerana lo kita ni, dua buku an makan ini tu di lo mana kita lo, an makan kita saya, asopren makan East kerana lo malam Kongres tu itu apa tahu kita cingguai lo. Sebenarnya bangkit ini tu bangkit one part polisi kita, apa tak sikit apa, sikit pen, kalau bangkit nanti macam ni, thom tapi ini tu bangkit, tu ini tu, kalau tu mari kita setting kasi, itu pihak kita kita orang.
Further, the ASDC also attacked the Congress, stating that its president Sumrong Hang is a recent convert from BJP and the party have not given up their saffron trade. The Congress failed to learn the lesson from 2017 council election debacle in which the Grand Old Party scored 0 for the first time in the history of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election. The party said they have once again firmly resolved to take part by placing strong, bold and determined candidates in the 2022 KAC election to carry forward the autonomous state movement in the electoral arena. The regional party in their press statement said they will support like-minded candidates in Amri, Langpher and Sarupathar, while it is yet to declare candidates for Amreng, Rongkhang, Langhin and Bokajan constituency. The press statement was issued through its president Chandrakanta Terang and General Secretary Jotson Bay.
Conceptually ke form ni tum thak thak isia bangke duaramla constituency lapangke sarkar phangchu Chinthong 2 number Chinthong MSC constituency Chinthong bangke Sondro Rongpha lapang Sucheng constituency 3 number lapangke Ramsing Tera Sucheng lapang 4 number 5 Plia MSC constituency bangke lapangke Bithum Rengthama constituency lapangke Sri Sikari Katha Asopil bangke Kopili Pasnong Kopili MSC constituency bangke Sondro Singh Dera Lasopil bangke Hauraghat constituency bangke Rotnesor Timu Lapen Fuluni constituency bangke Munindro Bey Lapen Korkanti constituency la bangke Khorsing Nuti Lapen Mohamai constituency la bangke Babu Singh Ronghan Lapen Momati constituency la bangke Borsing Phangchu Mohamadi lo Sucheng Delta constituency ke Dijem Blok Perai Lapen Lumberjan constituency bangke Maikon Rongkha P Lapen Dhonsiri 14 long Dhonsiri constituency bangke Mondol Taru Lapen 15 long constituency la bangke Rakesh Singh Teron Singason lo Lapen Deupani constituency la bangke Vida Singh Tisu lo Lapen ako 17 Nilip constituency la bangke Sunil Topi Lapen 18 nung bangke la bangke Duar Baguri constituency Rajan Hanse Lapen Borjan constituency bangke Komor Singh Brin.
Newsdesk report, Karbi Anglong Live.
Well, that's all we have just for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.